Right, today guys we're doing Dorito chicken wings. Let's get to it. Here we have a kilo of chicken wings from Tesco. I'm just going to separate them from drums and flats. Just like that. I'll skip you guys ahead because you ain't going to want to see this. Right, once they look like this, we're just going to pat them dry with a bit of paper towel. Help make sure they become extra crispy. Right, once your chicken is all patted dry, you're going to throw down some seasoning. Today I'm using the Pegasus bacon honey jalapeno barbecue rub from Angus & Oink. I've got to say this is one of my favourite rubs. Chuck down a generous dose. Give it a mix. Once it's all coated, chuck it on a wire rack. Put that in the fridge for a couple of hours. Let the skin dry out a bit more and let it take on that flavour. While the chicken wings are resting, let's break up the Doritos. Remember to get as much of the air out as you can, and then take a spatula, break them up. Obviously you can use a rolling pin to break it up, but I can't find that. Crack in 3 eggs. Give it a whisk up. Something like that. Move that to one side. Then into a tray, some flour. Some more Pegasus rubber. Give it a mix up. Move that to the side. Put your Doritos into a bowl. Now that's all ready. These have been marinating for about 4 hours. I've set up a little assembly line here, ready. It's chicken into flour. Give them a good coating. Then into the egg wash. This round here, you can see this a bit better. And then into the egg wash, then into your Doritos. Push down, make sure you get good contact, so it looks something like that. Then back onto the rack. Repeat the process. As you can see, I've run out of Doritos. So I'm just going to double dip the rest of the chicken wings as a bit of a fake away. Right, let's just quickly tidy up and then get them on the barbecue. Okay, let's get the chicken wings on the barbecue. Dorito ones first. As you can see, I have got another cook going on at the same time. There you go, guys. It's cooking with Weber briquettes and cherry wood chips. Check back in half an hour. If you're getting any value from this video or just enjoy what I'm cooking, please smash the like button and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Okay, the chicken wings have been on about half an hour now, so let's give them a flick. Right, all seem to be cooked through. Let's get them off. Okay guys, let's give it a go. Let's try that one. Cheers. Okay, still juicy and crispy and very flavoursome. Definitely recommend that to you. This is my chili heatwave chicken wing. The only thing I'd have done a bit different is break the Doritos up a bit more so they stick better. Other than that, definitely give these a try.